Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a walking tour of the finished Port Royal Street Revetment project. Now this project involved one, renovating the road. As you can see, that's Port Royal Street, and the road was renovated from the Raytown Fishing Village all the way back to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building. Another part involved building this boardwalk that we're walking on now. It's similar to the boardwalk that was built on the Palisades Strip, and that is to ensure persons have a nice place to walk. You can jog, exercise on the boardwalk. The one on Palisades Strip is very popular. And another part of the project was to build this revetment wall to protect the shoreline. Alright, so this project goes from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building, which is this building here, and goes all the way back to the Raytown area. So this is the Kingston Harbour, and we're just going to walk on the boardwalk. Here you can see some boats for fishing. Over there, that's the Norman Manley International Airport. You can see some ships in the harbor. So we're just going to walk on the boardwalk, take a look at the project. So this bridge was built As you can see, this is a very busy road. It's one of the main roads that take you into the city of Kingston, especially if you're coming from the airport. This is the main road you would use. You can see it was nicely renovated. It's a very nice boardwalk. Where you see these white pipes coming out of the ground, that is where they're supposed to put in street lamps. I'm not sure what's going on with that because the project is finished and the street lamps haven't gone in. It was officially opened, so maybe they're not doing it again. And here you can see the sign, "Welcome to Kingston." Jerry and nephew have actually decorated the entire wall that was built. There you can see the wall going all the way back to the Raytown Fishing Village, which is over there. As we said, this is a very busy road. Straight ahead, that's the Tower Street Correctional Facility, and it's a prison. Oh, they actually have some very nice benches here. I guess persons can sit down and enjoy the view of the harbor. Very nice. So there was some talk once about moving the prison, but it's going to be very expensive, so I don't think any decision has been made on moving the prison yet, but that prison is definitely sitting down on prime real estate in Jamaica. So this project is actually finished. It's very nicely done, I must say. Very impressive. We're actually going to do a walking tour of the Palisadoes boardwalk, Palisadoes strip, so you can see what that one looks like as well. Wow, you always hear about plastic bottles and the environment. But wow, when you see what the plastic bottles do to the environment, you just have to say, wow. 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 Nonetheless, it's a very nice boardwalk. So this project was a huge success. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.